hoodie ballers. It's just huge. What are you guys planning?
No, too close, man.
I have any in my teeth.
Oh! Like what? Girls got wild! Look at Danny's face. I know. Say hi, Danny. Say hi, Danny. Hi, Mikey.
What is this shit? No, skin is black.
Danny, I want my sweater. This one is
Where do you buy guns? Where do you buy guns? At the police station?
Martin. Man, how could you see up there, man? I wonder what it's like to be so tall.
That's what I always say. Dude, it's so cool. You should see, like, you get on a chair and it's so different. It's like
a different world. You still recording?
mm-hmm.
I want to see the
Oh, this shirt does have like a little bra under.
What? Weed? I don't want weed.
I don't want to get more sticky poop.
I am so full.
Well, I have 0 right now.
Oh.
No, but I want to get a...
I'm sorry, but I found it very funny.